Welcome to our channel. If you want to secure early free access to new services through pre-launch offers, follow these step-by-step instructions to be among the first users of innovative products and platforms. Step 1. Follow tech publications, startup news sites, and innovation blogs that announce upcoming service launches, creating alerts for keywords related to your interests. Step 2. Sign up for waitlists whenever you discover an interesting service in development, as many companies reward early registrants with extended free access upon launch. Step 3. Engage with founders and companies on social media during their pre-launch phase, as active community members often receive priority access codes. Step 4. Join Startup Accelerator announcements and demo day schedules, as newly funded companies frequently seek early adopters willing to provide feedback in exchange for free access. Step 5. When you receive a pre-launch invitation, respond promptly, as these offers typically have limited availability and operate on a first-come, first-served basis. Step 6. Complete any onboarding surveys or questionnaires thoroughly, as companies use this information to prioritize access and may provide longer free periods to users who offer detailed use cases. Step 7. After gaining pre-launch access, actively participate in the community by reporting bugs, suggesting features, and providing constructive feedback to help shape the product. Step 8. Take advantage of your early adopter status by exploring all features before the general public launch, when free access periods may be reduced or eliminated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.